Hi, my name is Cindy. Let's learn English together. In today's lesson, we will be learning all about the 4 types of sentences that there are in the English language. So what are the 4 types of sentences that there are in the English language? I'm so happy that you asked. So most of the time when communicating with other people, we use these 4 different types of sentences, and they're called declarative, we have interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. These are the 4 different kinds of sentences that we most commonly use when we're talking to other people. So to make this easier for us to understand, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend the time in this lesson talking about 2 types. And in a following lesson, I will talk about the other 2 types. So our first 2 types of sentences that we're going to be talking about today are declarative sentences and interrogative sentences. So we're going to start off with declarative sentences first. So what are declarative sentences? Declarative sentences are sentences that usually will tell us about something. They're basically announcing information to someone in an informal way or a formal way at times. So it's letting somebody know what's happening. It's one of the sentences that are most commonly used in English, right? So an example of that would be like, I am walking to the store to buy groceries, right? I'm telling somebody else, what am I doing? These sentences normally end with a period. And it's just giving information about something. In the word declarative, we see a root word in there, and that root word is declare. And in English, the word declare means to announce something in a formal way. I kind of think of it as a cognate because in other languages too, you will find it sounds similar. Like declare, I'm thinking of French, Haitian Creole, déclarer, right? And that just is you giving information about something. You're announcing someone to somebody else so they could know, right? So sentences that are declarative are just announcing, giving information about something. Another example is my friend bought me some candy. Again, that's a sentence that's just announcing, it's giving information. The other type of sentence that we're talking about today is called interrogative sentences. And in the word interrogative, there is a word that we can hear or see, and that word is interrogate. Interrogate. Now, when we think of the word interrogate, we're thinking about, for me, I think about police officers and how they have to interrogate someone to ask them a whole bunch of questions about something to find out what happened, right? Do an investigation. The word interrogate means to ask questions. So, of course, interrogative sentences must mean sentences that's right, they ask questions. They're asking somebody something like, where is the bathroom? That's an interrogative sentence. It's asking something, right? And these sentences end with a question mark. Because you're asking a question, you need a question mark to go with that sentence. So we have declarative, that's telling something, giving you information about something. And we have interrogative, the ones that are asking us questions. So we're going to play a little game. I'm going to put up a sentence and you guys have to tell me, is it a declarative sentence or is it an interrogative sentence, okay? All right, so here we go. Here is our first sentence. My brother opened the door. My brother opened the door. Is that sentence a declarative sentence or is it an interrogative sentence? That's right. It's a declarative sentence. It's a sentence that is telling you something, right? It's giving you information about something, announcing something. So it's a declarative sentence. And it also ends with a period, right? So it's letting you know that it's not asking anything. So here is another one. What day is it today? What day is it today? That's right. This sentence is an interrogative sentence, right? It has a question mark. It's asking you something, right? And the sentences that are interrogative, they're asking and they're waiting for somebody to answer that, right? We're waiting for someone to give us the answer to this question that we're asking. Perfect, guys. We'll do one last one. Which way do I go to get to the store? Which way do I go to get to the store? Is this a declarative sentence or an interrogative sentence? That's right, this is an interrogative sentence again. Notice there's a question mark at the end. They're asking for information, and of course, they're waiting for somebody to give them the answer. So this is an interrogative sentence. So remember, today we learned about 2 of the 4 types of sentences, the declarative and interrogative sentences, right? And the declarative sentence is a sentence that's most commonly used in our conversations with others. Guys, it was awesome having you here with me today. I hope you join me next time for the other 2 types of sentences, and also for us to continue learning English together. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you soon.